Hello everyone, welcome back to the Luxury for Princess YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and I'm going to show you guys how to add some texture to your hair. So I've already had my Luxury for Princess luxury curler heating up. This is their 5-in-1 luxury curler and I'm using the biggest head that they bring. You can switch up the heads depending on what style you want to go with, and I'm going to be using the biggest barrel. So that is already heating up. The next thing you want to do is just start brushing out your hair. Trust me, it is much easier to style your hair when it is not tangled. Now, the next thing you want to apply is any type of heat protectant that you prefer. So that is what I'm going to do now. All right, and now we're just going to start sectioning off the hair. I always like to work from the ends all the way up. We are going to work with sections about this thick long. What you want to do is grab your luxury curler and bring it around your back, and then you're going to start wrapping the hair away from your face. Now the Luxury for Princess curler heats up pretty quickly and it heats up quite a lot. You're actually able to control the settings to your preference, so you do not need to leave this on for too long. Look at the beautiful wave that this just formed. And we're just going to keep repeating the same steps. I'm gonna work with just small sections like this. It's about 1 inch thick. And again, just bring the wand behind your back and start wrapping the hair away from your face. I like to keep things pretty simple and easy to do, so I'm gonna keep repeating those same exact steps and just fast forward this a little bit, but I will see you guys at the end. Now that we have curled our entire hair, you're gonna take your favorite hairspray and just spritz it all over. That way your hair really retains that texture. For this next step, I want you to grab a couple bobby pins. If you happen to have some shorter layers, that is great. You'll be able to just stick a few of them out. And the rest of the hair in the front, you kind of just want to twist it just a little bit away from your face. And then you're going to grab one of your bobby pins and pin it down. So it's gonna look a little bit like this. We're gonna repeat the same exact thing to this side. Just stick out like a little cute piece of hair and twist the rest away from your face. Alright guys, this is the final look. Our hair looks so much thicker and voluminous. It has a lot more texture and it's bouncy, and then we have this cute new hairstyle to completely transform our look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this tutorial fun and super easy to follow along. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.